guys, this is Satoshebo Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook on Touchable Mama page. You can also see me on Touchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Listening very good. You came out to say you want to return Valerie, blah, blah, blah. It's not true. There was a letter you gave, they sent a letter to you. If you don't know who is, when people come on live, so many people with integrity are watching. Not everybody you see there that are illiterate. So if you don't know, you must know now. Not everybody you see are illiterates. Get that in your dull brain. Your husband carry glasses inside house to wear. That is to cover the shame and disgrace. He made a comment that they don't drag for people's child or blah 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 in their community or in their this thing. You are a fool, Osifo. You are a fool to the biggest and the highest order. You don't drag, but why are you dragging all this? Why? If you are a man enough, when this case has not escalated like this, you would have returned the child back, or for peace to reign, they have meeting with the father. Or before now, people have been neglecting the man from seeing his child. People have been avoiding the man from seeing his child. Then now, maybe you came to lie on the baby's head, on the girl's head, that the girl now told you, yeah, she's at fault. She told people that she know the father for only one day. You are a thief, Mabel. You are useless. Is it this hand you want to use and train the child? See, if that girl decide to stay with you today, tomorrow, if that girl get a reasonable husband that want to marry her, I bet you will spoil the husband's mind, because your daughter will not be married by then. Maybe you want your husband to marry your daughter. He's your kind of mother. I've seen you in your kind of type in movies so many times. So they use that is, you don't need someone. We don't need to say to teach us this one again. We've seen you. Your kind of person, it's not difficult. It's not difficult to know. Maybe you are an evil person. Believe me, you are an evil person. See what the husband was talking. Valerie lied to you. Whereas, before now, you have been communicating with the father. You see, nobody's a kid here. People should not become stupid. You and this Osifo are mad. You cannot just come and be fooling somebody like that. But meanwhile, there's the video that voice record that have gone far before this time, that you have been communicating with Promise. First of all, you said Promise brought the daughter to social media. It's a fat lie. He did not bring anybody to social media. Is he in the social media? You are the one that have been bringing that girl and be singing. The girl is an orphan. You know why you are doing all these things? You never believe that somebody will come and debunk it, so that by the time your evil deed comes on clear, you don't claim everything you want to claim, plus the money the government wants to give her and the house. Baby Promise come out. You now said, until you have been on the live video every time shouting, this girl is an orphan, this girl is an orphan. Nobody came to debunk it. Now the government has done this. That is why now, because you have seen property. My dear, we are all Africans, so there are many of us that went to school just because we want to be educated, but God give us the natural understanding before now. You did all those things thinking that maybe if you shout like that, nobody comes out. Then when they give you the glory, you collect the glory and the honor. But you have turned to disgrace. Shame. 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 You've gotten shame to yourself. Disgrace. Public assault. That is what you've robbed yourself. You carry your children to sit on the step and they start crying. See, your daughter is a nuisance. So you are teaching that girl how to become a nuisance. You see how she's a white child is not too smart like that. They are smart in good things, but your child is smart in evil now. Your daughter don't know evil past you. Your daughter go fuck past you. Believe me. When she's crying, when she's forming that cry, she will be trying to smile. We they see all those things. So your own acting, your own acting don't get value, because everybody know that it's all over in you. See your husband, your boyfriend, the mortuary man, he want to make sure he give the child. The father is around, but you people are saying, when the man called the initial time, you said, "Fan, please, is this Promise? Does this girl look alike? Are you mad? Who is your mate? Who is a kid with you there? Are you talking to your son? Look at this baby. Look at that child. You know clearly that that child that daughter is his own. And you know the man before this time. You feel the man talk, the guy did not even embarrass you. When you were asking, he said, maybe hold on. Don't call me that. Am I your mate? Are you mad? Is that man your mate? Is not your mate in the sense that you don't fuck prick with senior ram. But does not mean that you senior that guy in age. You embarrass that guy on phone, on your social media. The guy did not do anything. The guy did not even said anything. You now carry that your son that resembles chewing stick and start interrogating the man. The man will go feel born am times 3. See, she's asking you a simple question. Why can't you answer? Are you mad? Are you mad? It's because they don't have father. Do you know what it takes to have a father? You allow that small girl to be insulting her father every time because of your greedy intents. If you're not greedy, you know what you want to achieve because you cannot fight freely. No African man or African woman go and fight something free. Me and you are in the same world. We are in the same Africa we come from. The same Nigeria we all came from. Nobody go for free war if you know that you don't achieve anything. Let's stop fooling ourselves. Everybody have know that you are a gallant liar. And your lie does not, you see, that's why you see most of these big people, they have advisors. If you have an advisor, now, I don't think you will fall this victim you fell. All the advisors you have are those prostitutes they carry through Libya. That was why, that one where I, they like eyeglass, where I don't spoil, V Dorins, where I resemble key, padlock, where key don't break inside. Where they deceive you. All of them come out, enter online, and they start countering the thing. After all of them have hiding shame. The government have asked you, they don't want to see that girl close to you anymore. That was why you came to do it like a live video as if you want to drop the girl. I wrote the letter. And I can, if you doubt it, I will prove it to you. I wrote this, let them review those things very, very well. And which they have done. So you see, Strafe. Australia are bringing Strafe for you, you will pay fine. Watch and know what will happen. You use your hand to tarnish things for yourself. If you have allowed peace to reign, this peace will be going smoothly. You allow and no go whenever see toothpaste, brush mouth to deceive you. You carry later they show you want to go and carry somebody to court, blah, 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 blah. Now, Valerie, grandfather and mother, they recorded the first time. Maybe I leave my daughter alone. You are a thief. You want thief my pikin. That video was the best and the first video they did. And that is the original video that went through. The other videos that is going on is they did it under Durex. Maybe it depends on what they are old people. It depends on what they convince them. Then your baby husband where you keep for house, a mortuary person. When they insult even the uncle of Valerie's brothers, mother's brother. Say he saved the number as idiot, I be fool. Mr. Man, you are a shame to yourself. You are a disgrace to manhood. You are a disgrace to manhood. Soon and very soon, maybe husband, baby fathers will come and collect those their children. Oh. Let me see the one you will carry that your teeth when they cover from lips. Show again. See that your daughter that you are claiming to be your own. Go for a better DNA though, because the girl is only having small of your head because of the baby have been being with you. Don't be surprised that maybe was pregnant before you came into her life. Oh. If you don't know, if that baby is only looking like you, because maybe you used to carry her. But if you look very close, look very, very close. Maybe it's small of your sperm that mixed up when that baby girl was pregnant. If you must know now. If you are a reasonable man, you will not allow Mabel to put you into this kind of disgrace. This is public assault, wickedness. Your so-called girlfriend and be wife, Mabel, is an evil, is Jezebel of our time. He said, now, if I'm not blaming Promise do this, Promise do that. Promise did not do anything. No. See, those days and now, you see, some of them can even bring their wife to Europe and the wife will be the house girl of the white man whom they will marry, based on how they agreed. The guy is alive. It's one of the party that dies. And even though he's saying anything, he say whether he's lying or not, we and you don't know because we are not there when they started. You say that maybe was your best, this lady was your best friend, whatever, what's her name? I've forgotten her name again. She was your best friend. Valerie's mother was your best friend, Bonita. After sometimes you say Bonita is not your friend. You don't know how much again. The next one, he says she's your best friend. And then definitely you know what killed Bonita. You know what killed Bonita. And if you're a good friend to Bonita, maybe you will not do this thing you are doing to the child. You are the one giving that girl, going through trauma. Emotionally blackmail, you are blackmailing that girl, making that girl to be abusing her father for no just cause. You cannot take care of that girl. See, no matter how mama na mama or papa na papa. Are you getting me? You are not even related to them. You're not her sister. Tomorrow, even though they give you all these things for that girl now, 1 year, 2 years, the thing will finish. You will throw that girl away because your own is your own, our own is our own. Igbo say, nkem bukem, kain bukain. There's no how you can, no matter how you do, you love Valerie. You cannot love that Valerie more than your own children. So leave her to go and the blood that can love her like the way you love your own children. Should go together, go with it. You not carry a camera and put on that small girl to be abusing the father left and right. For the innocent man that don't know what he did. See, proud mom, come out your own and you don't want to be proud. Useless mom, come out your own and be talking nonsense. You will born your own, and the man will soon come for his own. No? Not be to they carry different prick up and down to the fuck for those are children. You feel that you are what is making you proud? Proud that you don't have a suitable man on your own side, you call yourself proud. What are you teaching these upcoming children? What are you teaching these upcoming children? Tomorrow now the children will make the sins of their mothers and the sins of their fathers. If someone born with you, it's not a taboo of allowing the man have access no matter what happened. No matter what happened, can you hide the child for the whole years? Facebook has come out. So many media has come out. The child must be into one or two things. The father can trap the child through those kind of things too. You should not be doing those kind of things. Our father's time and our mother's time were not like that. Their grandfather's time were not like that. Then this is our own. We will die and leave it like this. The children will bring up their own type. That is how it is. You carry the other small girl to stay on the camera and be insulting her father. You be telling them what to do. See the acting you acted now. That your daughter where they like breakable glass cup. Can't rush go outside. Hey, why you crying? You now hold Valerie as if now you key a pass. What do you want to coach her now? How to born for 20 men from 20 children? You that is trying to set a pace for them. Which pace have you set for yourself? See your daughter, see your small daughter. I pray it's on for finish. That your small daughter make the come out for that breast. Make is coming out of that your small daughter's breast. The so-called white, the so-called mixed race, the half caste. It's very, very bad. It is very, very bad of you, Mabel. Then is it Valerie that you will not use 2 seconds to throw her inside dustbin? You go flush her inside dustbin. Valerie must be a very stupid girl to be cursing the father up and down. Come and carry me, yeah, come and carry me. He said he saw your father once. Remember that the picture, it was the man that put her in school. So as people are claiming that they saw her once, which once? Which once? Even though you see her half time, it's her father. And you know about it, you are talking about it, you deceive your co-fans. And they believed you with a lie. At the long run, the truth snaps your face. You would have used time and pull out. See your useless husband saying he told people not to stay in media for the moment and so on. You are a shame. Inside the house where there's cold everywhere, you are wearing glasses because you cannot face the disgrace. You cannot face the disgrace and the shame that your wife is putting you through. Because of what? Self-centeredness. Greed. Greed is destroying you people. You now start dragging for now. You have not taken care of your four you have, I'll be 5. You can't drag another person and put orphanage in. The orphanage is about to allow you to take it. That is why Nana. The man did not spoil anything. The man wants his child back. He wants his child back. That was why he ordered for you. He wanted his child back. So you don't need to be saying that thing that the man did this. The man did not do. Promise did not do it. Promise did not come online to beg you. Promise only came to debunk that thing because you keep announcing this thing. And this guy he outsmarted you. Because you never expected him to come. If you have expected, you least expected, unless you would have not even brought that topic. Every day, only you come out and say, the girl is an orphan, the girl is an orphan. And he has come to debunk it that he's alive. She's not an orphan. There's nothing bad in debunking that thing. There is nothing bad in debunking it. There is nothing bad in it. Only for you to come out and start saying too many lies. Next moment, you want to fabricate. The law have sent. I thought you were a lawyer now. A lawyer of 4 days. Only use a nurse. Only use a this. Stop disgracing yourself. Stop disgracing yourself. You are bringing shame to yourself and your family. See, that your daughter will insult you tomorrow. That your mixed race daughter will insult you tomorrow. Because that girl is recording everything you are doing very, very bold. Though. That girl is smarter than you are. That girl is smarter than you are. You see, when one time you are doing one prank, you say your phone fall inside the water and everything. The girl say, Mommy, I thought as wise as you are. As wise as you claim as you are. And why do you allow that one to fall? I pick word. I say, See everything small pikin they talk. As wise as you claim that you are. If you play that video, you hear it. How could you have allowed the phone to fall inside the water? I was like, so your daughter can talk to you like this? Then talk more of when she will start bringing man to the house. My dear, you no go fit talk. Oh. You no go fit talk because that girl is already sleeping with man. That girl is seeing men already. That girl is seeing men already. That girl don't even miss her messes. Then Valerie won't come teach another one. Valerie too don't follow man. That is why she's having the mouth to talk to her father anyhow. You carry camera, tell her what to do. Even some of their brain is not even too strong. Where sometimes you even forget most of the things. Because even you and your husband have a blocked brain. No if you remember something. Then is it those small children you now learn? Is it those small children? Maybe stop making your children to crash. Make them not crash overboard. You are killing your children's brain. Oh. Your children are supposed to be focused in school. And something reasonable, not for them to be on media and be fighting and be following for all those kind of things. Stop this thing. It's a lay down to you and your family. Oh. It's a lay down to yourself. If they cause the man did not bring his children to that, his daughter to that social media. He came to debunk that he's alive, he's not dead. Which any reasonable man must do the same thing. Which every reasonable man must do the same thing. So stop acting like this. You are not a God. You cannot give that girl the kind of peace and joy the father will give to her. Even though the man have abandoned her for how many years, but he has come back to his senses and he wants his child back. It's his blood. That girl is not your blood. If fire outbreak happen now, you can run for your life and rescue your children. If Valerie is still in the room, you say, I beg, not be your own. No. But he might not have that opportunity and mind to do that kind of thing. That's why they say your own is your own, our own is our own. Igbo say it. Nkembu kem, kaimbu kai. You cannot be fooling everybody. Too many learned people are on these platforms watching those things. Don't let all these people that is coming out, all this one where you put them through ship cargo, carry them come through Libya. V family, V Dornis, where spam don't spoil our eye, finish. Whether not spam they use as eye drop for the eye, where bomb blast the eye, where they see evil, the thing they turn upside down as if it's good. Because of you, they use that eye for the spirit of the gods. That is why. Everything in you is very black. Inside eye that everybody have white eye. Your own red blood, your own red spot is black. Your retina is black. Inside your car, anytime you're doing this thing is black. Why don't you stay in the house to do something? Everywhere it's always black. Very ugly thing you are. Very ugly beast you are. From there, there's nothing enticing in you, nothing attractive in you. I wonder who will marry you. I wonder, even though you have 100 years document, and I know if my prick no even stand where you did. It cannot rise. Carry your document and go. Carry your document and go. Make her the hide. If it's your document that will make me come out. Carry your document and go. You are too ugly to be kept as your kind of woman is that kind of woman in Africa, in Nigeria, that when man don't drink, that is how they turn on. You just making go see how you go pour the thing come out. Just enter, see one street girl like this. When you carry that one early as 4 a.m. before they don't break, you don't push her from window, make she run come out before they go break. It's your kind of girl. It's your kind of girl. For you to see evil, you are holding the evil with tight hand, clapping hand for Mabel. Now you now brought that and Gist TV said she interviewed the girl. It's all this in arrangement, though. All this in arrangements. Interview. So since Valerie have been with you since how many years? You do not interview her to know whether she have seen her father for 1 week or 2 seconds. It's not as Gist TV come and interview. You get mad and say the girl is lying. The girl told people lies. That is why you do this. That is why you do that. The fault is not from Valerie. You know why you turn the whole case. Madam, Oga, we are not a fool, okay? We are all fucking graduates. You see this graduate, eh? I go to school well, oh. I go to university well, 10 years with my 2 degrees. 10 years. I go with my degrees and then still have other masters attached to it. So, and other educative programs attached to it. So you can't just come on platform and we think everybody, everybody just see Uniben and pass it. Some people went to school well, oh. Some people entered the school well. You keep cutting Vera. Vera is not educated. Vera cannot speak. Vera is not. She never told you one day she went to school. Oh. She have never told you one day. Oh. But she's trying with what she's speaking. You that is a graduate, that you claim you have your PhD, masters, all the degree in Austria in nursing. You cannot even construct a simple. You don't even know when to use adjective and adverb. You don't know when they say it's a case of killing. What is a case of killing? A case of murder. A murder case is a case of killing. Is that a graduate spoke? Is that how a graduate supposed to be? It's a disgrace. You and your husbands, let me use that word because you're not only husband. You have so many husbands which more are yet to be, more yet to surface themselves. That's why I use that word husbands to show how wayward you are. At the time now, you and your son, you and your children will be dragging husband. Because that one will keep hair like coconut where they wear cap with eyeglass. He carry coconut. You know all these 7-Up those days when they draw 7-Up, or will they draw for book? That is how your husband look like. If shame not they catch him, why do you wear eyeglass now? Why do you wear eyeglass? He would have come out the man he's claiming to be. He would have come out. He would have come out clear with his eye and speak. I tell my family, are you a man? You tell your family to come out of social. Are you a man? Even the man you claim to be when you remove the camera from you, that girl always sabi pass on her mouth. Her daughter. Did she not come back? She came back online. If you are a man, as you claim to say you are, such thing will not happen. If someone you know something and someone will come and take it again, it's not possible. It's never possible. It is never possible. You are a shame as a father. You are a shame to yourself. You are a disgrace to yourself. You are a bastard to yourself. To what you did. You call yourself a man. Which man? Yeah, I'm a man of a culture. We have culture. We don't should drag somebody's child. For how many months, how many years have you been dragging the child? This is not you wake up. It's not you woke up from your slumber. When you don't the smell of shame and disgrace. That is when you now woke up. You don't want to again. Let her come and carry. It's not, you did not drop the child though. It was government. There was a petition from here. If you don't know, you are not fooling everybody. There was a petition that there. Your so-called Mabel have case with the government. She will end the case. You will hear the scores after now. You now peacefully came out so that to be as if you hand over to. But Mabel said she will die with where Valerie died, isn't it? So why did she come and handle it over? We are not a fool. I draft the petition and it's over there. And I gave all the clues to them, and that's how they work on it, and they've seen the truth. Maybe they will have a fine to pay. Very soon, those are grandchildren, those children's grandparents from their white man will come and collect those children because maybe cannot handle. Maybe it's only virusing those children. Maybe it's your turn to cry. Tell the truth. Tell them what you did to Valerie's mother and your plan towards Valerie. Tell them. Stop doing all this evil you are doing. It pays. The pay you get later, it will be disastrous. This is your evil you are doing. You don't expect the Bonita to come out and slap. The dead don't go. Death, they bury the dead. The dead should bury the dead. That is how it is. If like stab the daughter and I not go do anything, she not go do anything. But your own nemesis is already in your front. They say evil men do before goes after them, but now it lives with them now. You are reaping what you've sowed already now for that little girl life. Say what you come out as a mother and Valerie, my daughter is my daughter not finer than Valerie and all those things. And you say you have good intention for that girl. You are a castrated idiot. To use such a word, if truly you have a flair of a mother, you cannot use such a word, no matter the pressure. That is to show now that even though that girl decides to be so stupid that she don't want to be stupid, to come and clinch on you, you will give her only the shaft part to eat. Then your children will eat the biggest share, the diamond share. Madam, allow that girl back to her father and wash your leg and your filthy hands. And that your pussy that you have used and rock the whole Austria, wash it out. That's what the government say. They've given you time to return. That girl should not communicate with you for now. Because the father has gone for the DNA and everything is approved. Where is your nigga now? And not go where they push you to the wall. Not be it's in his house now, watching and be laughing. See how every time you are depreciating, you are macheting. Look at your viewers now, your commenters. Everybody are abusing you left and right. If you have 600 comments, 20 now you ones then where they back you for evil, vidorins. One eye where resemble Panadol where they don't break. Panadol where they cut into two where they no cut and wear. That's of Dorins VID. Then this only whether na only or wait I be one leak Whether you dey waiting, you dey leak. Waiting they leak where you go there, people platform the right nonsense. You are a daft. Soon you will die your own end. Someone will take care of your own child too. Soon you will die your own mysteriously end, and you'll see how it pays. Vidorins own dead body know they die 2 times. Now Vidorins is already a dead person. You know, see the eye. Even though that kind of person die normal now, and I go there like that inside gasket. So she's like a corpse. It's a living corpse. We don't even need that one to die again because the body know they die 2 times. Person know they die 2 times. That one don't already die. I think she came from a world, alien world. That is why. He carry this thing. They every time they car when they on. Where they always turn steering up and down. Be fooling yourself. You see black. You see black. They call them whites. Anyway, I don't blame you because you're not seeing. You get eye. You get eye. That eye where they get. Don't be robot. The eye they use construct put for you. Where your eye supposed to now, where your brain day, now where your eye day. How will you think like a normal human being? How will you think like a normal human being? Vidorins. Which kind of man will carry you keep for house like this? And that man should be a lunatic. I think he should be all this man, all these autistic men. I believe that is an autistic because a normal man no go fit. I think the man that is with you maybe is autistic. Now man they just carry push 2 of now. 2 people must flow together. Because everybody in this world have their own match. So an autistic man will go fit manage you. Because normal man with his full grown flesh brain, no go fit come near you. That is just it. That is my kind of advice. So maybe stop deceiving yourself that Valerie lied to you, and Valerie did not lie anything. You know the truth before now. So don't pour those things on Valerie. So when Valerie go to her parents, you will hear the scores. Now, baby, you can go expose everything now. See, if you throw coins, there's a probability and the two one can surface. Know how you turn again. When she go close to her father, then you go see say blood flows in the vein. The thing will come out too. The part 2 go still come out very, very hot on you. Anything you poison the girl, now just foolish thing at your side. You poison the girl. Leave the girl to do whatever she want to do. It's her life. Needless of you telling her to insult her father because tomorrow they will unite. They will tell, that's why they know they settle husband and wife. Same with father and daughter. That is a great bond. Though. Now boy and boy, now they two agree. But you see father and daughter, it's a great bond. Though. They need to scatter them. They need to scatter. Tomorrow, definitely one day, you must sit with her father. Daddy, sorry. Daddy, see what happened. Daddy, do you know that is that useless maybe that told me to say like this? Daddy, I'm sorry. This, that. Papa now, Papa, you go see embrace in daughter. Because prodigal son is not the first. Everything that's happening on earth, it happened in the Bible. It happened with prodigal son also. So anything you tell her, if you like, make poison for her to go and poison the father, she not go feed one. So stop fooling yourself with the girl. Allow the girl to go. Focus on your own life too. Please. Focus on your own life. Leave the girl alone with her father. That is my advice. The government have told you to remove your hand. Carry her things back to the orphanage. The same orphanage home is full. They want to give another one. You are a fool. Are you telling to people in Africa? Which orphanage home is in Europe? Can any place be filled up? They want to give her another space in another place. They say, look at who are you talking to now? Even asylum people that are coming every day. So now, because of Valerie now, that place is filled up. You see, you should be very, very wise. Oh. Think before you come out and talk. You need an advisor to be advising you what to say before you come out and be disgracing yourself. You need an advisor. The place is filled up now. They need to look for another place now for you. It's your house now that is not the orphanage home. Those children will be mixed blood. They know their father. They know their own father. As you know the orphanage home, the whole everything in Austria. So Austria now, orphanage home come full now because of Valerie is out. Now, Mabel, stop this nonsense. Stop this nonsense. I urge you to stop this nonsense. Unless you will die in shame. You will die in shame. Trump. Now Trump go jam you. You will die mysteriously. The way you go turn to epileptic patient, enter inside Trump go jam you. You don't go believe him. Stop this nonsense. Stop this nonsense. That one where they carry lips, teeth way big past lips and tongue. As if they lick sweet every time. They carry cap, wear forehead. Shame down they catch you, wear eyeglass inside house. Houseboy in charge, part 2. He carry eyeglass wear. Carry short neck wear. They sample watch where now the song get the watch. When everything you wear for hand, they shake leg, they talk. From your mind now, you have spoken. The father has spoken. They call you father. Father, you have spoken well. You have spoken well, father. Now you're kind of person where they call father. Your kind of person where they call father, useless entity, where they go call father. See the kind of advice you can. Valerie told us lie. For how many years the girl have been with you? He did not tell you lie. He did not, before you could carry video camera and give her to start talking all those nonsense, she did not tell you that she know her father. You did not see the picture. It's not people that post her picture when she was in primary secondary school. You did not see all those things. Who you would think, everything everybody in her video is with their eye, their brain, their eye. My brain, my head, or my olfactory lobe is connected though. My spinal cord is working very, very active. Oh. So anything I hear, anything I see, human kinematics, I know all those things. So you and Mabel should stop that nonsense and don't someone just stop stealing children in the open light, open broad day. Don't stop stealing people's children. You are a thief. Two of you are criminals, stealing people's children because of what? If you have someone to adopt, you have other children in Nigeria that you born promise. Why don't you adopt those ones? Because Buhari will not give people anything for the adoption. He won't collect Austrian money, idiot. Unyoshi, can't collect now. They leak mats. Valerie told you lies. Now you know that he's now the biological father, but your wife was scanning camera. Does this person look alike? As if she don't know the man before, as if they've not spoken before. You see, a word is enough for the wise. Kudos to Sarah and Vera. You are a fighter. You fought a good battle. And victories are yours. Valerie, the advice I have for you, if you like, they did they wag mouth. Like person where they carry broom, they chook for inside nyash. Anything they tell you, you talk. Anything they tell you, daddy now come and carry me now. You are a stupid girl to talk that. Even though they push you, at 10 years is also know your sense. You are 14 years. 14 years, you don't see messages. Your breast on the pump. 14 years now, you have started typing text message to man, I love you. If I thought you are not being this virgin already by that Osifo. And you want to tell me that you don't know 14 years in Nigeria, know themselves. 14 years supposed to be in SS2. They don't write love letter. You want to tell me that you don't know your father, and now you start denying. You are matured when you went to see when you were with your father in Nigeria. You are matured. You want to tell me that you don't know one or two places in Nigeria now, as you are? As they call you baby, tata boku go gidia, idiots, because your father, something they worry you for head. You know what it takes to become a father? Do you know what respect? Who are you self to even come and ask your father what happened within you? Something they worry you for head. You know, go respect yourself. When maybe if you stay with maybe, you don't know say you go die the way your mother died. You will not even get to your mother age, you will just die because maybe it will poison you because of what you have. Your father is here against all this. Your father is okay, wait, it's not the American in day. Now you came to go and beg for your this thing. Stop, people should stop that nonsense and go and meet your father. Stop this nonsense you are doing. Don't be so stupid to be following maybe to be insulting your father. I've maybe a son, Gideon, insulted her before there. You know, say how that small boy interrogate your father that day on phone. Yeah, they ask you a question. Why don't you want to answer? In the grace. Which kind of mixed blood are those ones? Children we mix with how many sperm from them? You don't go respect yourself. The two of them, did they look alike? Did they look alike? Stop that nonsense. You know, say your mother, the Valerie to fat. Sorry, the maybe. No matter the food she eats, you know, she just there like toothpick. They like toothpick. Stop this nonsense. Idiot. I greet you all and thank you very much for this opportunity. Please share this video, let it go viral and tag some people so that they can hear it and everybody should be smart. Please, I use this opportunity to say advice most of these people that call themselves single mother because sometimes it's bad character that make them use single. Someone like Proud Mom now who go want keep that kind of person as wife. Nobody go want keep all those kind of people aside because all those kind of one they are not done already spoil. They don't get brain again, they don't get head. So please, nobody. And all these single fathers, so you try to be communicating. So someone like Anelgetu, who will kick that kind of one. Very soon now, the wife will kick him one side. You go yes, course. When the wife say a reasonable and responsible person now, they will kick him one side because that guy is just a nuisance. Just a nuisance. No matter what, no matter since the two parties are still alive, try let them be getting into contact with their children, just saying hello, hi, and all those things. I know it's not easy, but so that to avoid all this kind of issue, we don't know what trespass within both of them, and we cannot judge. No one, you are not a judge. It's him that can speak. If he lies, it's left for him and it's God. That's what we should know. You cannot hear from one party and you start scattering. The other party is there. Then leave him to go with the child or to communicate with the child. You now go and tape the grandmother and saying they are apologizing. I will tell maybe to take care of because they brainwash